Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my English first paper class of class 9. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. So, students, I warmly welcome you to my online class. So, let's students enjoy the class. Now I introduce myself. I am Unmun Mumtaz. I have been working at Arapara Girls High School, Kushtia as an assistant teacher English. Today I will take the first paper class of class 9. Learning outcomes. After completing the content, the students will be able to ask and answer questions, infer meaning from context, form silent reading, participate in short discussion, write answer to questions. Student, look at the picture and talk about it. 1. What do you see in that picture? Number 2. Can you relate any historical event to this picture? What happens on this day? So students, our today's topic is, our lesson is Unit 3, Lesson 2, May Day. Now we learn some new words which also to understand the text properly. Relate. It is verb. It means having connection with someone. The synonym of relate is connect. Observe. It is verb. It means to see or watch or notice somebody or something. Synonym of observe is monitor. A colorful rally is brought out from Doinik Bangla crossing in Dhaka on the morning of Wednesday, May 1, 2019. Commemorate. It is verb. It means remember something ceremonially. Sacrifice. It is noun. It means giving up of somebody or something valued. Revolution. It is noun. It means overthrow of government. The synonym of revolution is rebellion, revolt, or riot. Rally. It is noun. It means a large public meeting. The synonym of rally is gathering or assembly or meeting. So my dear students, open your book at page 31 and read the text. May Day is, or International Workers' Day, is observed on May 1st all over the world today to commemorate the historical struggle and sacrifices of the working people to establish an 8-hour workday. It is a public holiday in almost all the countries of the world. Since the Industrial Revolution in the 19th, 18th and 19th centuries in Europe and the US, the workers in mills and factories have been working a long shift, 14 or even more hours in a day. On May 1st in 1886, inspired by the trade unions, half of the workers at the MC Cormick Harvesters Machine Company in Chicago went on strike demanding an 8-hour workday. 2 days later, a workers' rally was held near the MC Cormick Harvester Machine Company and about 6,000 workers joined it. The rally was addressed by the labor leaders. They urged the workers to stand together, to go on with their struggle and not to give in to their bosses. At one point of the rally, some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The strikers went down the street to bring them back. Suddenly, about 200 policemen attacked them with clubs and revolvers. One striker was killed instantly, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many others were injured. The events of May 1, 1886 are a reminder that workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out to gain better working conditions, better pay and better lives. So students, now I give you some questions and you must answer it correctly. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. I gave you one question and 4 alternatives of each question. You must write the right answer. The first question is, the objective of May Day was established dash work day. Option is number 1, a 6-hour, number 2, an 8-hour, number 3, and 18-hour, number 4, a 7-hour. Question B. May Day events occurred in dash century. The 4 option is number 1, 17th, number 2, 18th, number 3, 19th, number 4, 20th. The question of number C. Class and revolvers were used upon dash. 1. Trade union leaders, 2. Policemen, 3. Strikers, and 4. Strike breakers. Question D. Workers on strike in dash. Option is number 1, Newark, number 2, Chicago, number 3, Florida, and number 4, Washington. Question E. The word commemorate stands for number 1, unity among people, number 2, loyalty towards authority, number 3, the struggle for movement, number 4, honor the memory of an event. Question number F. May the 1st, 1886 is a dash day in the history of working class people. And the 4 option is number 1, negligible, number 2, working, number 3, remarkable, number 4, joyous. The question number Z. The day reminds the historic dash of working people. Question number 1, where? Option 2, working. Option 3, fight. Option 4, clash. So students, I think you finished your writing. So the answer is question of A, and the answer is at 8-hour. The answer of question B is 19th. The answer of question C is strikers. Answer of question D, Chicago. Now answer of question E, honor the memory of an event. Answer of question F, remarkable. Answer of question Z, struggle. So students, now take your notebook and pen and write those questions. Answer the following questions. Question number A. What happens on 1st May 1886? What did the workers want? Question B. Who addressed the rally? What did some strike breakers do? Question C. What happens when the policemen attacked the strikers? Question D. When did the Industrial Revolution take place? Question E. What do the events of May Day remind us? Okay students, I hope you finished your writing. So I tell you the answers, and the suggested answer is the answer of question A. On 1st May 1886, about 200 policemen attacked the striking workers on a rally at the city of Chicago and killed one worker on the spot and wounded and injured many others. The workers wanted an 8-hour workday. The answer of question B is the leader of trade union addressed the rally. Some strike breakers started leaving the meeting place. The answer of question C is when the policemen attacked the strikers. One striker was killed instantly, 5 or 6 others were seriously wounded, and many of them were badly injured. The answer of question D is Industrial Revolution took place in Europe and the USA during the 18th and 19th century. The answer of question E is the events of May Day remind us that the workers will continue to be exploited until they stand up and speak out for their rights of better working conditions, better pay and better lives. So students, I hope you rightly answered those questions. So that's all for today. Thank you all and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.